12 tense in English language. 1. Simple present tense. Definition. The simple present tense is used to describe habits, general truths, and repeated actions. Formula. Subject verb s/es object. Examples. 1. I wake up at 6 a.m. 2. She studies every night. 3. They play football on weekends. Question form. Do you like pizza? Negative form. He doesn't eat meat. 2. Present continuous tense. Definition. Used to describe actions happening right now or around the current time. Formula. Subject am/is/are verb ing object. Examples. 1. I am studying English now. 2. She is cooking dinner. 3. They are watching a movie. Question form. Are you listening to me? Negative form. He isn't sleeping. 3. Present perfect tense. Definition. Used to describe actions that happened at an unknown time in the past or that started in the past and continue to now. Formula. Subject have/has verb, past participle. Examples. 1. I have finished my homework. 2. She has traveled to Kenya. 3. We have seen that movie. Question form. Have you eaten lunch? Negative form. He hasn't called me yet. 4. Present perfect continuous tense. Definition. Used to show an action that started in the past and is still continuing now. Formula. Subject have/has been verb ing. Examples. 1. I have been learning English for 2 years. 2. She has been working all day. 3. They have been playing since morning. Question form. Have you been studying? Negative form. He hasn't been sleeping well. 5. Simple past tense. Definition. We use this tense to talk about something that happened in the past and is now finished. Formula. Subject verb past. Examples. 1. I watched a movie yesterday. 3. She visited her grandmother. 3. They played football last week. Question form. Did you go to school? Negative form. He didn't eat breakfast. 6. Past continuous tense. Definition. We use this tense to talk about something that was happening at a time in the past. Formula. Subject was/were verb ing. Examples. 1. I was reading a book. 2. She was cooking dinner. 3. They were playing outside. Question form. Were you watching TV? Negative form. He wasn't sleeping. 7. Past perfect tense. Definition. We use this tense to show that something happened before another past action. Formula. Subject had past participle. Examples. 1. I had eaten before he arrived. 2. She had finished her homework. 3. They had left the house. Question form. Had you studied English before? Negative form. He hadn't seen the movie. 8. Past perfect continuous tense. Definition. We use this tense to show that something was happening for some time before another past event. Formula. Subject had been verb ing. Examples. 1. I had been studying for 2 hours. 2. She had been cooking all morning. 3. They had been playing for a long time. Question form. Had you been working? Negative form. He hadn't been sleeping well. 9. Simple future tense. Definition. We use this tense to talk about something that will happen in the future. Formula. Subject will verb. Examples. 1. I will call you tomorrow. 2. She will travel to Nairobi. 3. They will play football next week. Question form. Will you come with me? Negative form. He will not, won't, eat lunch. 10. Future continuous tense. Definition. We use this tense to talk about something that will be happening at a time in the future. Formula. subject will be verb ing. Examples: 1. Will be working at 8 a.m. 2. She will be cooking dinner. 3. They will be studying all day. Question form: will you be sleeping? Negative form: he will not be watching TV. 11. Future perfect tense. Definition: we use this tense to show that something will be finished before a time in the future. Formula: subject will have past participle. Examples: 1. I will have finished my work by 5 p.m. 3. She will have eaten dinner. 3. They will have left the school. Question form: will you have completed the task? Negative form: he will not have arrived yet. 12. Future perfect continuous tense. Definition: we use this tense to show that something will have been happening for some time in the future. Formula: subject will have been verb ing. Examples: 1. I will have been working for 5 hours. 2. She will have been studying all day. 3. They will have been traveling for a week. Question form: will you have been waiting? Negative form: he will not have been sleeping.